Chang here with a quick install video. I just got a new Safariland holster. I'll be doing a review on this. This is the Safariland 6360 RDS. Specifically, it's the 6832-131. It's for a Glock 34 with a red dot and a tactical light on it. But I like running my holsters with the QLS attachment here so that I can swap them on and off of belts. So let's go ahead and get the forks onto this holster. So QLS packaging, if I'm just buying the forks, if I have the mounting plates and all that already, I do have install videos on the mounting plates and on other holsters, a couple other holsters. I'll put them in the description here, the links. But I'm just going to, since I already have the forks or the mounting plate, I'm just going to put the forks onto this holster. So when you buy just the forks, it comes with a set of directions, some extra screws, and a handy Allen key so you don't have to go searching for one. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and take my parts out, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the Allen screws here that are on the holster itself. Now I'm going to set those aside and save them with this belt mount, because I know they work with this belt mount. I'm also going to use a little bit of Loctite, so let me go ahead and get that out. Just blue Loctite is fine. Definitely don't want anything like red Loctite where I'm going to have to torch it off. This is not a not a metal holster, and these things do not react well with flame, I'm sure. All right, so just comparing the sizes here. These are the screws that come with the mounting fork. These are the ones that were already attached to the holster. There are some short ones in here as well. So you see they actually have these as well. So it depends on how much mounting stud you have. Let me go ahead and just get some Loctite on all of these. And trial and error, see which ones work. So this side is the side that goes against the holster. Goes like this. I can adjust the angle here. Again, I think I've said in other videos I actually prefer a straighter angle. This is actually more of a cant if the belt's like this, so I'd like a straighter angle, so I'm going to turn that up this way. I'm going to start with the one of the longer screws here and see if that actually bolts in or screws in and screws in tight without protruding through to the other side or bottoming out. I'm checking right in here. I don't feel the, actually I do, I can feel the end of the screw there. So I'm going to try the shorter one here. See how that feels. Didn't stick out a lot, but I would prefer it not sticking out at all. Supposed to be Allen's, and that doesn't feel like an Allen. Actually, the hole's just not real. It's not shaped real well, that's that hole. All right, and again, I want it more upright. Make sure that all right, so that's tight. Yeah, I definitely don't feel it bottomed out or actually protruding in through here. So I'm going to, I don't know if you can see, not enough light on my finger there. So I'm going to use the short screws all the way around. So get them finger tight. And once I get the last one in, come back around and torque them down. Just finger tight is fine. Not trying to strip any of these screws. All right, and that's it. Pretty simple QLS fork installations. Very, very easy. There you go. So, quick one today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Love to have you subscribe to the channel as well, and also click that bell notification icon to the right so you can be notified of any new content that we might post. As always, stay safe, and we'll see you out on the range.